Hello. If you are using a manual breast pump, knowing how to connect the parts correctly can make pumping easier and more comfortable. Start by making sure all pump parts are clean and completely dry. Always wash your hands before handling the pump. First, take the breast shield, also called the flange. This is the part that rests against your breast. Check that the opening is the right size for comfort. Next, attach the breast shield to the pump body. Gently press or twist it into place until it feels secure. Now locate the valve or membrane. This small part helps create suction. Attach it to the bottom of the pump body as instructed by the pump manufacturer. Make sure it lies flat and seals properly. After that, connect the handle to the top of the pump body. The handle should move smoothly when you press it down. This is what creates the suction when pumping. Once the handle is attached, connect the collection bottle to the bottom of the pump body. Twist it gently until it feels tight, but do not over-tighten. Before using the pump, press the handle a few times to check that all parts are securely connected and working properly. Proper assembly helps improve suction, prevents leaks, and makes pumping more effective. If something feels loose or uncomfortable, stop and recheck the parts. Correct setup helps protect both you and your breast milk.